How to convert BTC to USDT on Bybit. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be discussing about converting the BTC to USDT on Bybit. So let's get started. First of all, you have to begin by opening your Bybit mobile application and making sure that you're logged into your specific account. Once logged in, navigate to the home page and tap on the search bar at the top, then type in BTC to find various pairs like BTC slash USDT, BTC slash USD, BTC slash USDC, and more. Select the BTC slash USDT pair to proceed, and next tap on the sell button at the bottom and input the amount of BTC you wish to convert to USD. You can use the slider for the convenience, and Bybit will automatically calculate the equivalent USD you will receive. Confirm by tapping the sell button to place your order, and your BTC will be converted to USDT seamlessly. So this was all about it. This is how you can convert BTC to USDT on Bybit. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials.